pizza fries. Check that out. Oh my goodness. Check that out. Wow. This looks amazing. And then we have some barbecue chicken. Let's get the sauces, y'all. Ketchup. Ranch. Love the ranch, y'all. We got some hot sauce. Oh my goodness, y'all. Check that out. Oh my. Here's some ranch on it. Oh my. Check that out. Here's some of that barbecue chicken. I'm gonna dip it in ketchup, ranch, hot sauce. And that's the final product. The thigh is my favorite. It's the juiciest. Look at that, guys. Up close and personal. Look at the cheese. Oh my goodness. Let's dip in all three sauces. That's how you do it, y'all. Cheers. Oh yeah. Got the chicken. We got the fries, y'all. Thank you guys for watching.